Hey everybody, welcome back to the Video Geek Squad channel, and on this particular video we're going to be doing a Nichesss review and how to make better social media content. So this is a Nichesss review and we're going to be talking about how to make better social media content. You know, one of the reasons why I have chosen to make these sort of tutorial videos is to really give you an inside look into the product, but not just an inside look into the product, but also to make sure that I'm giving you use cases and other things like that. And that's one of the reasons why I'm just going to encourage you to subscribe to the channel now. We are going to be doing live webinars on the channel, but you guys are going to need to subscribe to the list so that you can know when those webinars are coming out, so you can interact with us as well as network for your business as well. We do about a 30-minute networking session every time we go live, and so you may want to come in and take advantage of that, and you can actually network with other entrepreneurs and digital marketers. All right, now in today's review, as I said, we're going to be doing a Nichesss review and demo of the product here for you. And I think Nichesss is a very unique product. It's probably one of the first products that I bought that was sort of AI kind of products. And this is a very, very good product. It has over 283 reviews. You can get it right now at a one-time purchase price of only $59. Now, if you do want the long form editor, there's an upgrade charge to the long form editor. But I mean, it's unlimited, and so it just makes sense to do it. But like it says, it helps you to write things about 10 times faster. It will help you to generate blog posts. It'll help you to write marketing copy. You can even do YouTube descriptions, and there's so many other functionalities that this product does. And I'm going to be giving you an inside look to the product. It has over 150 plus AI tools. So this is not just buying one AI tool. You're going to get a lot of AI tools to use with this product. Okay. Now, you can check out all the tools, and I'm going to be giving you a rundown of those tools. You're going to also be able to have the ability to do AI images. So if you're really into the AI images, you can use that as well. And it's a very simple product, so it doesn't really require a whole lot of selling because it's very, very simple. Now let's get into the product in itself. Let's talk about it. It's giving you resources. It's got AI. That's what it features. And it's especially for those of us who make courses, etc. So now let's talk a little bit about the plans and the features. Now, you're going to get lifetime access to Nichesss. You're going to, of course, have to redeem your code within 60 days. And of course, all of this is available on appsumo, and you'll be able to grab this on appsumo. It's an appsumo deal, and as well as an appsumo review, so that way you'll have that. You can also get access to all future plan updates, and it's very simple. You get one single license is $59. You get unlimited tokens, AI marketing copy generator, AI idea generator. You can write your newsletters. You can come up with email subject lines, all sorts of things that have anything to do with writing. So if you're struggling with coming up with a daily email to send to your audience, if you're coming up with blog posts and you're struggling to do blog posts, let me tell you, this is going to be a very, very crucial product for you to use, and it's going to make all of the difference for you, especially when it comes to using this particular product. Okay, they've got 283 reviews, like I said, and it's a 5 taco status on this. Okay, so I mean, it's an awesome product. I guarantee you're going to love it when you take a look at it. Now let's go ahead and dive into the review of the product, so that way you can see the product. All right, when you first log into Nichesss, this is your home screen. This is your dashboard. You can choose the light function, or you can switch it to the dark screen. So it does have dark screen mode for you as well. This is where you're going to get all of your notifications. It's going to give you a list of your recent things that you've done. So this is something that you can that you'll have at your disposal. And it also tells you your long form documents that you've done, as well as any business ideas. Now, as you can see, there are 182 different content tools in here. Now, I'm going to be making some additional videos on this channel, so please make sure that you thumb up this video as well as subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be making a lot of videos about Nichesss and some other AI tools and giving you some use cases on how to use it. And you want to make sure that you're updated when those videos are going to be coming out. Okay. All right. So this is going to help you do one-click posts. Now, this is something that I just actually started using. And I just went in there and played with it the other day. So it's an amazing, amazing tool. You also have a long form editor. You have a make a tool. So in case you have a tool that you'd like for them to create, you can tell them that. All sorts of things. You've got acronyms. Let me just do it this way because it makes it so much better. If you're doing advertising, this is going to be your options. You've got Facebook ad targeting tips, Facebook ads, Google ads. It's going to give you image posts as well. So if you're doing image posts, if you're doing anything with arts and creativity, you've got an AI prompt helper, an AI image, as well as an AI story. This is where you take a sentence and it generates a story using AI. So it's really cool. If you've got a blog, this is all of the help that you can literally get with your blog. You can do active and passive voice converter, blog, listicle items, a listicle style post. You can title generator, blog post intro, blog post outline. I mean, this is just going to give you a whole host of tools, a content expander, an editorial magazine intro, extended blog outline. So if you're struggling with writing, guys, this is one of these products that I would most certainly recommend that you grab. Okay. Now, also, if you're doing anything as it relates to books, let's say you're a Kindle book writer, AI story, an author bio. It will do a book description for you, book ideas, book title, plot, recipes, story outline, as well as a table of contents. Okay. So, I mean, this thing has a whole lot of stuff. Now, if you're a course creator, it's going to give you a course assessment criteria, course description, course learning objectives, course module list, as well as it'll help you come up with a name for your course. Now, for the sake of this, now if you're doing keywords, it's going to put your keyword in a sentence, keyword to page ideas, keyword to paragraph, and a magic paragraph here. So, I mean, you got a lot of stuff you can do here. You got Pinterest stuff, you got podcast stuff. Now, I'm going to go down here to YouTube because you're on YouTube. This is going to help you take YouTube keywords to come up with a video title and a YouTube opening line. So help you come up with a script, a random videos ideas, video outline, channel name, YouTube description, a YouTube playlist. So this is going to give you a very, very robust tools in here that you can use to come up with all of the stuff that you are doing. Okay. Now, as I said before, this has a whole host of tools. Let me just share with you something that I just discovered. Let's go show all. Let's say, for instance, you want to generate a daily email to your audience. Okay, let's say you want to talk about how to make YouTube videos faster. Okay. You can tell it how many sections you want. You can also do a professional. You can tell it the tone that you want it to use. I'm going to use luxurious here. And you can even put keywords in here, up to 5 keywords that you want that are comma separated that you can use in this article. And you just hit next. It's going to literally spit out for you an outline. Okay. And you can check your outline. See if you like the what they have here listed, and you can click generate. And look what's going to happen in Nichesss. This is amazing, okay? And this is if you're creating content and you're having to create content on a consistent basis, this is going to help you, and this is going to make things so much better for you if you understand the power of this, okay? Because this is a powerful tool, and it can most certainly help you with all of your writing, okay? Okay, so this is what it kicked out. Just so that you know, It has 942 words. Okay. And it actually generated this article automatically for you. It is absolutely done. And so you just got to go through it and make sure that, it's pretty good. And you can use this, hint, hint, if you're sending a daily email to your audience and you want to be able to write a daily email, you can put in a subject that you want to talk about or write about. And then you could just come in here and tweak it every night before you go to bed and set it the next day so that you can actually reach out to your audience. That just makes sense. Okay, you just read it and make your necessary changes to it. Send this to your audience every day, and you've got a fresh email with a fresh topic that you can send out to your audience every single day. It's amazing. And so I just think you guys should grab this. As I said, it's on AppSumo right now. It's a one-time purchase, guys, of $59. So it just makes sense for you to grab it and use it. I'm going to be making some additional videos. Those additional videos, guys, are going to be covering a lot of the content tools. So I'm literally going to go into detail about over 182 of these, right? So we're going to have a lot of videos about the tools that are inside of this program. So just make sure that you hit the like button, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, make sure that you go ahead and grab Nichesss now while it's still at a lifetime deal. This is something that you cannot beat. And I'll see you guys in the next video.